Subtraction using all from 9 and loss from 10. So when we have to subtract a number from multiples of 10 or powers of 10, we can use this all from 9, loss from 10 method. It is very easy. We no need to do borrow at all. So multiples of 10 or powers of 10. If you are subtracting a number from multiples of 10 or powers of 10. Multiples of 10 is nothing but if you are having numbers in the form of 10, 20, 300, 400 like that. So 7,000, anything. So it should end with zeros. It should multiples of 10. Powers of 10 means 10 power 0, 10 power 1, that is 10 power 2, 10 power 3. So we can write it as 10 power 0 as 1, 10 power 1 as 10, 100, 10 cube as 1000 like this. These are called powers of 10 and this is a multiples of 10. So when you have numbers in this form and we have to subtract another number from these numbers, we can use this principle. So, subtraction from using all from 9 and loss from 10. Using that principle, we can do the subtraction. So let's see some cases based on this. So case 1. So if I have to subtract from 1000, 312. I am subtracting 312 from 1000. So 1000 minus 312. So in this case, without borrowing, what we can do means we can apply all from 9, loss from 10 principle. So till these zeros, we are having numbers. So lost from 10. We have to subtract lost number from 10 and all from 9. Remaining numbers from 9. So 10 minus 2 will be 8. 9 minus 1 will be 8. And 9 minus 3 will be 6. 688. And this 1, the remaining number other than zeros, we are having only 1. There is no digits here below that to subtract. So just you have to write the predecessor of this number here. So what is the predecessor of 1? Predecessor of 1 is 0. So your answer will be 688. So this is subtraction using all from 9, loss from 10. So let's see one more example. $10,000 minus 5,678. Subtracting 5,678 from 10,000. So now the one is separate. Below zeros, we are having these numbers. Apply all from 9, loss from 10. Last one you have to subtract from 10. So remaining you have to subtract from 9. So 10 minus 8, 2. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 5, 4. And what is the predecessor? Predecessor, no, previous number. Predecessor, previous digit to 1 is 0. So here you will be having only 0. Your answer is 4,322. Okay, this is the case 1. Let's see the case 2. So when we have numbers in this form, that is, you have to subtract 1000 from 470. So in the case of last digit is 0. Okay, so the last digit is 0. So don't apply all from 9, loss from 10 from the last digit. Leave it as such. You have to write the 0 as such. Apply all from 9, loss from 10 from the next digit. So this should be your last digit. 7 should be your last digit. So loss from 10 and all from 9. Okay. So now this 0 you have to write as such. 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 4 is 5. And predecessor of 1 is 0. So your answer will be 530. Okay. Let's see one more example. Any number of zeros. Zeros next number all from 9, loss from 10 apply. So let's see another example. 10,000 minus 33,000. Sorry, 10,000 minus 3,300. So in this case, last 2 digits are 0. Leave it as such and apply all from 9, loss from 10 and from the next digit. So last from 10, remaining from 9. So for these zeros, you have to write the zeros as such. 10 minus 3 is 7, 9 minus 3 is 6. And what is the predecessor of 1? Predecessor of 1 is 0. So frontless 0 number represent panama. You can directly write the answer as 6700. So we'll saw one more example. 100 minus 28. So 100 minus 28. So how will do in this case? Last from 10, all from 9. So 10 minus 8, 2. 9 minus 2, 7. Predecessor of 1 is 0. So your answer is 72. So if you are having a single digit subtraction, that is 10 minus 6. In this case, only one digit is there. So all from last from 10. Just you have to subtract it from 10 directly. So 10 minus 6 is 4. Okay. So the same thing. So this is, we have seen some cases in this one. So in the next video, we will see the remaining.